Hello, what's up, guys? How are you, everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Dodge Ram, and in this car today I will show you where is the OBD wire. See, like this Chrysler. First of all, need to this pin. Okay, I will show you OBD wire location. See here under the steering wheel. Okay, and then see here, no need to remove nothing. So go inside. Then you can see here gateway control module. See this one. Okay, remove those two wire. Okay, remove those two wire. Like this, fix it like this, and then fix OBD2 wire. Okay, like this. Then you can diagnose everything. Okay.